here we have another piece of equipment by Keiser that is able to do multiple modalities of training. We're going to take you through some of the most common ones, and we're going to start by using the chest press. Okay, so as you can see, we have our handle set up on this side. We're just going to finish off this guy by sliding the hook right through here, and you're just going to spin until this is nice and tight and secure. Perfect. Just going to do another double check on this side. Perfect. Okay, now set up again. We're going to make sure that these arm angles are at the same height, and as you can see, they are. To change the height, you just pull out on this lever and move it up and down. So it's nice and secure inside here. I'm set up at a little higher angle to hit a different part of my musculature in my chest. Okay. Now again, the resistance is dictated by the plus or minus signs. Minus to go up, down in resistance, plus to go up. Now that we're set up, we begin the movement. You can start off by grabbing each lever, you're going to push down, and take one step out. As you can see, my arms are up at 90 degrees. And again, a unique feature of this is I can go unilateral or bilateral. I'll start with the bilateral movement, meaning I'm going to move both hands at the same time. So I'm coming out, I have to slow and control, breathing as I'm doing it. And you can even go unilateral, meaning one arm. So I'm coming out, one arm. You can go alternating. And then again, you can go both hands out at the same time. And then alternate, coming in and out. Again, the resistance here is going to pull you back, so be careful to control that eccentric movement on the way back. Another great movement you can do on this machine is lateral leg kick. So again, let's start with that setup. So again, make sure you have that weight underneath you. You're going to slowly pull out this lever and bring it all the way down to the ground, just like that. Okay? Then as you can see, I have my leg strap kind of set up for me already, but I'm going to strap it through these hooks, and I'm going to make sure I'm going to secure that hook in there. Give it a little tug, make sure it's in there tight. Okay? Now I'm going to start by putting my foot right through this band and securing it around my lower body, right on my ankle region. Okay? Now again, these machines are dictated by air pressure, so you can control it by going minus for less, plus for more. So find a weight that's going to be good and comfortable for you. And all you can do is sit up perpendicular to the machine, one hand resting on it, one hand on your hip, and you're going to slowly kick out. Get a little pause, and then come back. Slow and control, and then when you're done, switch the other side. Another great movement on this piece of equipment is going to be for glute development, and they're just hip thrusts with this rope. And as you can see, the rope's already set up on the hook. Always double check it to make sure it's secure on there. As it is, I give it a little tug. And again, the lever's set all the way down to that bottom range, and we're going to come back to this resistance. Again, the minus going down resistance, the plus going up. This is a great movement for glute development, and all you're going to do is kind of step over this rope. Make sure it's right in between your legs. You're going to slightly bend over, grab it, and just take half a step out. Okay, as you can see, I have a slight knee bend in my movement, and I'm going to use my hips to thrust myself forward. And as I do it, I sit straight up, I squeeze my glutes, and I return back to the position by slightly bending my knees, sticking my butt back, and then repeating. Standing straight up, squeezing my glutes. This is a great variation for glute development on this machine, as there are many multiple modalities that the machine is good for. I hope you guys enjoyed the Keiser Multi trainer, as it has a lot of modalities of training, and you get to explore all those different movements. But if you guys have any questions or want to get a more personalized training program, please subscribe to M1Strong.com.